Welcome students of class 12th commerce. In our accountancy syllabus, today my topic is accounting treatment on dissolution of a firm. In the previous lectures we came to know what does dissolution mean and what is meaning of dissolution of a firm and dissolution of partnership. Let us today discuss accounting treatment on dissolution. Dear students, on a dissolution of a firm, books of the firm are to be closed, assets of the firm are realized, liabilities of the firm are paid off, and the balance, if any, is distributed among the partners. For this, the different types of accounts are opened. The different accounts which are opened on the dissolution of a firm are realization account, partners loan account, partners capital account, cash bank account. Dear students, as we know that a realization account is prepared at the time of dissolution of the firm for the purpose of a disposal of the firm's asset and payment of the liabilities of the firm. It is a normal account prepared to determine the profit earned or losses incurred on dissolution of the firm. In this account, all recorded assets that is the assets which were appearing in the balance sheet, including intangible assets like goodwill, patents, etc., but excluding fictitious assets like deferred revenue expenditure, etc., debit balance of partners, capital or current account, cash and bank balance, and loan to the partners. All outsiders recorded liabilities are to be transferred to their book value. Dear students, you can see the format of a realization account. Particulars rupees, particulars rupees, debit, and this is credit side. Under the debit side we have to sundry asset account excluding cash, bank, fictitious asset, accumulated losses, debit balance of partners capital, current account, loans to partners. And under the credit side we have by sundry liabilities account excluding partners capital, loan from partners, reserve, accumulated profits, etc. To provision on any liability account by provision on any asset account. Bank cash account, amount paid for discharging liabilities, and under this credit side we have by bank cash account, amount received on realization of assets. Further we have to bank cash account, amount paid for unrecorded liabilities, and under credit side we have by bank cash account, amount received from unrecorded assets. And further we have on debit side bank cash account, expenses on realization. On credit side we have by partners capital account, assets taken over by a partner recorded or unrecorded. On debit side we have to partners capital, current account, a liability taken over by a partner or remuneration, commission paid to him or any expenses beared by him. To partners capital, current account, profit on realization. Any one of the two amounts will appear, and on credit side by partners capital, current account, loans on realization. This was about format of realization account. Dear students, for accounting treatment on dissolution of firm, then we have to open the account of partners loan account. Partners loan account. Partners loan should not be confused with a loan taken from outsiders. As per section 48 of the Partnership Act 1932, partners loan shall be paid only when all outside debts are paid off. It should not be transferred to realization account. Rather, payment shall be made directly through partners loan account. Dear students, we have also to open partners capital account, cash and bank account on the dissolution of firm or treatment of its accounts. So, dear students, we came to know today that on dissolution of a firm, books of the firm are to be closed, and assets of the firm are realized, liabilities of the firm are paid off, and the balance, if any, are distributed among the partners. And we also understand that for this purpose, different accounts are to be opened. Realization account is opened, partners loan account is opened, partners capital account and cash account are opened on uh, the dissolution of firm. And we also know that realization account is prepared for the purpose of disposal of the firm's assets and payment of the liabilities of the firm. So this all was about accounting treatment on dissolution of a firm. Inshallah, I will meet you tomorrow with the next topic. Till then, Allah Hafiz.